Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can add, increase, install, insert, upgrade or remove RAM in Lenovo laptop. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazam Antonoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, first of all, you have to remove the bottom cover of your Lenovo laptop. Viewers, you have to remove the 13 screws from your Lenovo laptop. Viewers, you must have a screwdriver for it to remove the screws, and I recommend that you place a tissue paper also, so that when you ever remove the screws you place them on this tissue paper. Viewers, I have removed all the screws. Now I will remove the DVD drive. If it is harder for you to remove it, you can use the screwdriver like this one to remove the DVD drive. After removing the DVD drive, viewers, if you are removing the bottom cover of your Lenovo laptop, it will be harder for you to remove it for the first time. To remove the bottom cover, you have to take the screwdriver like this one, and then you have to place it in this position, and then you have to push it forward. You can see that the bottom cover somehow moved up. Then you have to move the screwdriver and slide it and take it to the end of this side, and then you have to take the same screwdriver from this position to the end of this position, and like this from here till here. So this is not the first time for me removing the bottom cover. So now I will take it out and then place it here. After which, viewers, you can see that this is RAM. To remove the RAM, what you have to do, you can see that these are two clips here. You have to move this clip at the left side and this clip at the right side. You will see that the RAM will move in the up position. You see, viewers, that the RAM position is changed. It has moved upward. Now I will take it out. Viewers, this is Crucial company RAM which I added. It is 4GB DDR4 2133 SODIMM 1.2 VCL15. Now to add a RAM, you have to simply take in this position. Don't take it in this position because this gap is not fitting in this position. So you have to take the RAM and fit it a position which is this one, because the gap is touching this gap. Now I will move it forward, and you can see that pins has not got inside. So I will push it. Now you can see its position has been changed in upward, which means it has been inserted. Now I will push this RAM in the downward position. There will be a click sound, which means that the RAM has been added successfully. Viewers, now the RAM has been added successfully. Now I will put back the bottom cover. Viewers, hope you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.